here is my Walmart haul for the month of March. Right off the top, if you want to see the other half of my grocery haul for my once a month grocery hauls for my family of 6, I will link down below my Aldi haul for this month, which has most of my food. This is just the fill-in stuff, things that are either cheaper at Walmart or a better price at Walmart. Well, I guess that's the same thing. Or things that I just need larger quantities of that Aldi doesn't sell. So we're going to start all the way down here. A couple months ago, I switched out my Dunkin' Donuts coffee for Folgers just because it's cheaper. Dunkin' Donuts coffee grounds have gotten to be very expensive, and it's just coffee. I switched to Folgers, and honestly, you guys, it hasn't made that much of a difference to me. For the first week, I definitely noticed a difference. I don't know, it wasn't enough of a difference for me not to drink my coffee, but it was enough of a difference that I noticed. But now that it's been like 2 or 3 months, it doesn't bother me in the slightest. So I got another Folgers thing, and a canister this size lasted me almost 3 months, so hopefully I won't have to buy this again for a while. I got this vanilla caramel creamer. I typically will just do like a big thing of original creamer because it's really cheap, and I'm pretty basic when it comes to my coffee, but every once in a while I want something a little different. So I do this one, which is really good. And I like my coffee creamers to be powdered. I actually don't like the liquid coffee creamers. It's a texture thing for me. It like messes me up a little bit. So I just don't like it, and this lasts forever, so if I slow down on my coffee, it's not that big of a deal because it'll last. Got a thing of ramen noodles for summer break or spring break for the kids. This is one of the things they wanted me to have on hand. This is for a school snack for my kindergartner. All parents have to provide a snack, and there's 16 kids in her class, so it's just easier to buy a box like this. I was sending in like fresh fruit, either bananas, oranges, apples, or something like that, and her teacher actually reached out to me and told me that I could stop doing that because the school is now providing one piece of fresh fruit with the snack that the parents are providing every day. So I didn't have to bring in fresh fruit anymore, so I've switched to doing stuff like this. I am missing a couple things off of my haul here, and I already talked to Walmart. I live like 25 minutes from Walmart, so it's not that convenient for me to turn around and go back and pick up the things that I'm missing. So I just asked them to like reimburse my card for the items that are missing, and they said that that was fine. They're just gonna send me something through my email and have it all fixed, so I'm not worried about it. I did order 2 of these tomatoes, only got 1. I did order 2 of these halos, I only got 1. Not that big of a deal. Walmart was really good about it. They fixed it right away, no questions asked, which was awesome. My kids really like these chewy bars. They're really easy to throw in school lunches or for them to have for a snack when they get home from school. My kids have a longer bus route at night, and they get home. By the time they get home, I'm usually already cooking supper, so they don't have to wait that long. But I remember what it was like being a kid coming off the bus starving, so I like to have these on hand for those. So I get 2 of them, 36 bars in each box. My husband will throw these in his lunch boxes too every once in a while, so that's for the month. This is a staple in our lunch boxes, so I always get some goldfish. It's one of my daughter's favorites. I got 1 lemon because I'm going to make some lemon poppy seed muffins, and I needed a lemon. I just forgot to get pepperoni at Aldi, so I picked it up here. Only 2 things of vanilla yogurt this month because we were really slow on it last month, and we still have 1 of these that is still full in the fridge. So I only decided to get 2 this time. A whole stack of bananas, and these look really green, which is good, so we can focus on some of our other fruit that I have that I got from Aldi, like the berries and stuff, and then these will be ready in the next couple days, and then for the rest of the month we'll eat like oranges and apples and stuff that just have a longer shelf life. 1 thing of heavy cream. I have a couple recipes I needed this for this month, so I just got 1. I ran out of all my garden broccoli out of the freezer a couple months ago, so we're buying store broccoli until basically broccoli starts coming in the garden, but that's not going to be for a while. So I got a big thing of broccoli because we're doing a lot of broccoli heavy recipes this month. Completely ran out of corn. All of our corn that we preserved together over the summertime is completely gone, so back to Walmart corn. This isn't a bad price or anything, it's just we like to have locally sourced things or homegrown things. That's kind of what we're shooting for. So these are a little over $2 and they're 2 pounds, and I got 3 of them. That should stock us up for a while. My kids love waffles in the morning. I have one daughter who every single morning will eat waffles, and another daughter every single morning will eat toast. So I got a thing of waffles for the month for her. 4 things of marshmallows. My kids love to make Rice Krispie treats. It's one of their favorite things to put in lunch boxes and just for snacks and stuff. So 4 things of marshmallows for that, and that'll stock us up for a while. I got 2 bags of 2-pound tater tots. I'm doubling a tater tot casserole recipe, one for my family and one for a postpartum meal for my sister-in-law who's gonna have a baby this month. Same with these home-style meatballs. I got the family size, and I'm just gonna split this 3-pound bag in half. We're going to be making a freezer meal meatball pot roast. So that's what the meatballs are for. I guess you can tell what these cake pans are for. These are for the freezer meals for her, and she has a small family. So this will be plenty for her for one meal just to get her through. For the next, for the freezer meals that I'm making, just that need a little pan like this. And then my daughter wants to make this tortellini broccoli creamy bake thing. So I got some tortellini for that. 2 cans of nacho cheese. We're gonna do nachos this month, and we really like this nacho cheese. It does come in different like heat flavors or heat varieties. So we like ours somewhere in the middle, but if you wanted it really hot, go for it. But this is really good. We like it a lot. If you guys watch my hauls regularly, you know that we stock up on this every so often, and I just bought this a couple months ago. However, we've been taking a lot more baths recently because our kids have been really sick. It just feels like constantly. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to that if you have school-aged kids. It's just a rough time of the year. So I picked up some of these eucalyptus and spearmint scented bath salts or Epsom salts. The kids love them. We love them too. It just helps open everything up and helps you breathe a little bit better. And originally I bought the bubble bath in this scent too, but they asked if they could substitute it with this refresh and revitalize one. And I usually just accept it. It's kind of whatever. But we have this now, and we like to keep that like bath supplies stocked up really high because especially with little kids when they're sick and stuff, just having a nice warm bath and stuff can really help just change their attitude or just help them feel better, help them be a little less cranky. So we like to keep this stuff stocked really, really well. And of course the very last thing is my bread pile. This is 7 loaves of bread for the month. I'll freeze all this except 1 or 2 loaves, pull them out of the freezer when we need it, and we'll have bread the entire month that way. This haul came to $178. It was a lot lower than typical if you are new around here. My grocery budget to split between Walmart and Aldi is $550 a month for my family of 6, but that also includes like our household products, toilet paper, diapers, wipes, all of that stuff. Shampoo, conditioner, like toiletries, everything comes out of that $550 budget, which is really, really low. Typically, I will get my toilet paper and all of my toiletries and stuff from Walmart. However, I decided I'm biting the bullet. I'm getting a Sam's Club membership, and I'm going to be making a run to Sam's Club and doing a really big stock up of all those things, just buying everything in bulk. I talk about this in a video that's going to be going up next week, I think, or the same week this video is going up. I'm not sure. I have like a ton of videos already pre-filmed like in the editing process, but I'm talking about 10 things that I plan on buying in bulk in 2023 and why and all those things. But basically, becoming a family of 6 has made me realize that buying in bulk is just going to be the way to go for some of these things and not having to worry about it all the time. And it's already proving to save me money in the long run because this haul was about $200 cheaper than what it would have been if I would have added all of those things onto this grocery haul. So I put my Aldi total here, which came to $263 or $267 plus the $170, and my total grocery haul for the month. And I am definitely way under budget, which is awesome because then I'll take whatever I have left over from the budget for this month and stick it into my Sam's Club bulk haul, and we'll kind of do things that way. So thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me and watch one of my videos. And I will catch you guys in the video. Bye.